excuse though. Okay, this was number 3, that was 33, that had the .00. We plugged it in. 0 is not less than -2, so it was a no. So now we'll do 34 using this same inequality. So I need the points for 34. What were the points?
-4,
-10. -4, -10. So 3 times the y. Which one's y?
10.
-10. Minus 2 times the x is, what's the x?
-4.
-4. Is that less than -2? Okay, 3 times -10?
-30.
-30.
Positive 8.
Plus 8, because it's negative times negative. Plus 8, is that less than -2? -22 is less than -2.
Yes.
So yes, this is a solution to the inequality, because that came out true. But yes, it's a solution. Okay, we're going to graph some inequalities. We have y is greater than x minus 1. Let me erase this. Y is greater than x minus 1. Okay, if this were an equation, what would the slope be?
1.
Slope is 1. And the y-intercept?
-1.
-1. So we want to take care of this first, the y-intercept. I'm just going to sketch it on here. The y is a -1, so we want to put right there. That's where it's going to cross the y. And for our slope 1,
Up 1, over 1.
rise 1, run 1. So go to the origin and then across to 1. It'll go up 1 more and across to the 2. So it's going to go at a 45-degree angle here through every one of your cross sections. So are we going to do a solid line or a dotted line? Dotted line. This does not have the equals under it, so we're going to have to dot the line. It's the solid line would not be a solution. So anything along this line is where it's equal, but that doesn't make it true. Now we want it to be greater. If it's greater than something here, we're going to color above it. If this had said less, we would have colored below it. So the greater than, oh wow, my color don't want to work. Okay, I'll do it with the green. I was going to make it a different color. But everything above here will be colored. Colored in. And we have another one, another inequality to graph. Okay, could you call that one out to me?
2x.
2x.
Minus y.
Minus y.
Less than equal to.
Less than or equal?
4.
Positive 4. What do we need to do before we start graphing it?
Y-intercept form.
Y, slope-intercept
Or
form, right.
slope-intercept form, I'm sorry.
So what do we need to do first? It's a great day.
Add the y to the other side.
Oh, you want to add the y? No, then we'll have to remove it later, though.
Track 2x.
This way, you could, but it'll work both ways. We still have the y on this side, but it's negative. Then we have -2x plus 4. We haven't switched the sign yet, right? All we did is subtract, so now we got, what do we do?
Divide by 1 and switch the sign.
Divide by -1.
Or -1.
That will change your sign.
That does switch the sign. And the way Dennis was going to do it, it would have switched it too. It would have made the y positive when you moved it. But then after you solved, you would have had to bring it back to this other side before.
Thank you for giving me props on YouTube, man.
Yeah. I'm sure everybody's gonna watch our video and they'll know Dennis was gonna do it right too. Okay, y, negative 2 divided by negative 1,
2.
positive 2, x, and then what's the y-intercept?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. We're just gonna sketch this. What is our y-intercept?
Negative 4.
Negative 4. We gotta do that first. So at the negative 4, what is our our slope?
2 minus 2 over 1.
2 over 1. Something like that, huh?
Something along those lines.
We're gonna go rise 2, run
I had
1.
the concept in my head.
Yeah, we got the concept going here. Rise 2, run 1. So rise 1, 2, run 1. Looks like it's gonna cross the x at the 2. Are we gonna have a solid line or a dotted line?
Solid line.
Yeah, we have an equals right there. We're gonna have a solid line. Are we gonna sketch above or below it? Above, because it's greater. We're gonna sketch above it. Color in above it. Okay. We do have a couple of synthesis problems. I want to work on those too.
Nah, we usually don't have
If
those
there's
on the
something like
test.
that on your test, nah. You hope you don't have something like that on your test.
Are you ever just gonna throw
Okay.
something up in there? Wrench in the gears?
Do what?